Let's take a look at Office multi-tool. This is not a branded product, but could come quite handy if you have a small workspace. With this small device, you can get about 10 accessories that you need in office or at your workspace, and it's quite compact. Costs about 500 rupees. Let's take a look at the device. You get a small manual with all the info on how to use the device and where each accessory is located. The actual device is quite small, as you can see, compared to a pen, and it's not that thick also, so it can easily fit in your pocket or any bag. And first accessory I'll show you is the scissors, which you slide out. Once it slides out, it opens a bit. Don't expect to cut big newspapers and all, but if you want to cut small papers, edges, etc., could come quite handy. And squeeze it and slide it in. And next, let's take a look at tape. You get about 3 feet about length of tape, and once you're done, just press the lever and push it back in. And you also get a hole puncher, and slide the paper in and press on the top, and you'll get your hole. And slide it to get this stapler, and it works quite nicely. And open it to load the pins, and there is a tray below it which can store additional pins if you want. And there is a pencil sharpener here, and all the shavings are put in the basket behind this cover. It's quite hard to remove. And this is a letter opener, so that covers about 10, and you also get a small buckle if you want to hang it somewhere. Including that, it comes to about 10 tools. Could come quite handy.